class 6 students. Welcome to the e-learning classes of chemistry. In today's class, we are going to discuss the first chapter of chemistry, that is Introduction to Chemistry. And today's point of interest will be importance of chemistry, apparatus used in laboratory. Well, before we move on to this chapter, we should know what is chemistry. Before we know what is chemistry, we should know the branches of science. Look, science are broadly classified into three categories: physics, chemistry, and biology. Now let us see what is chemistry. So we can define the chemistry as: chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of substances, their structure, composition, properties, and reactions, and use of such reactions to form new substances. Clear? Let's take carbon, okay, and let's take oxygen. We mix together to get carbon dioxide. Let's take hydrogen and oxygen. We mix together to get water. Clear? So now let's focus on the importance of chemistry. Well, chemistry has wide variety of uses almost in every site, like food, cosmetic, clothing, medicine, industry, agriculture, national defense, communication, etc. Let us quickly see where we use chemistry in food. Well, you might be wondering that where we use chemistry in food. We consume proteins, carbohydrates. What are these? These are generally made up of basic three elements. Those are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So if you don't know the composition, if you don't know its properties, then how will you make? We make spices. We have to know the taste of different chemicals so that we combine it to get a new chemical which gives us some taste. Clear? Let us move to clothing. Well, clothing, like we wear normally nowadays a fiber, a polyester material, which is artificial fiber. Clear? So we have to know we have to get the general knowledge of chemistry so that we make the use of chemicals in our clothing industry to make it cheaper, so that we can make a cheaper material which can be best suited to our body. Clear? We can see the use of medicine, the drugs, all kind of medicine which you use. If you see the composition of such medicines, it is basically of various chemicals. If you move on to industries like pharmaceuticals, anything, any industry, normally we have to keep the general knowledge of chemistry, of the chemicals. Agriculture, like pesticide, fertilizers, we have to know the proper knowledge of chemistry to make the different pesticides that would be suited for that particular plant. Okay. National defense, we make bombs, we discover new guns, weapons. That is also made up of the combination of different chemicals to make that particular weapons. Clear? Now, let us quickly see some of the very important apparatus used in laboratory. Clear? Here are a few you can see on the green board, like namely test tube, funnel, tripod, Bunsen burner, wire gauge, flat bottom flask, beaker, burette, thistle funnel. There are many. Few I have shown in your board. Well, let us see quickly the use of test tube. Test tube is basically, as you can see, the shape is like a tube. It is made of glass, okay, and it is used to heat in solid or liquid. Okay, let's move to funnel. Funnel is basically used to transfer liquids from one container to another one to pour liquid. Okay, this is beaker. It is made up of glass. It is used to measure or store liquids. Okay. This is a burette. Burette is used to pour the liquid dropwise. It has a trap-like structure at its bottom. Fine. This is thistle funnel. Thistle funnel is used to pour the reactants directly into the experiment. And you can see the lower end is quite long, so that it is immersed under the liquids so that the gas will not escape from here. Clear? Let's move this side. You can find over here Bunsen burner. Bunsen burner uses flame to heat the substances. It will be kept under this tripod stand, which is made up of iron. Okay, it has 3 legs to support your beaker or anything whichever thing you will keep over it. Over here, you will keep this wire gauge. It has asbestos at its center so that it distributes the heat equally. Next, move on to the flask. There are various kinds of flasks, like conical flask, flat bottom flask, round bottom flask. This is an example of flat bottom flask that is also used to store your chemicals or heat your chemicals. Okay, so let's begin here for today. In next class, we'll learn something new about chemistry. Till then, take care, goodbye, thank you.